interested in learning skills that will help you identify the performance level of your learners? Would you like to earn professional development credits from the comfort of your own home at any time that suits your schedule? Is your department working to collaborate and grow your program to be more performance-based and proficiency-driven? If so, you're in the right place. Today, I want to talk to you a little bit about supporting language growth through stronger proficiency practices using the Avant Advanced Training Tool. Hi, my name is Dawn Samples, and I'm the Director for Avant More Learning at Avant Assessment. Today, I just want to share with you my experience as a district supervisor and how we use this advanced training tool in my district. In my district, we had a really large, rather robust language program, and our practices were very much performance-based and proficiency-driven, where we used the language as exclusively as possible with students and gave them lots of feedback that helped them to understand where they were on their pathway to proficiency. With such a large number of students and teachers in our district, it was essential that we all have a common understanding of where we were and where we were going, and the advanced tool really helped us do that. It helped us to deepen and grow our own understanding of the proficiency levels. It helped us have common goals and helped us to set that pathway for our learners to reach those goals, and also for us to be able to step back, look at where we were, calibrate our own ratings, our own processes, our own curriculum, and how we provided feedback to help our learners power up their proficiency levels. So just to speak a little bit to show you how you can access this tool and what it is, I'm going to share just a few more things with you here. In terms of where you can access it, it is completely online. It's so flexible because you can access it from anywhere that you can get online with the internet. It also follows some best practices for virtual learning. So you're able to be a learner through a process that you can also replicate with your learners. The way this works is that you view some very focused learning modules on video. You practice what you're learning, you apply your learning, and then you get feedback. After each module, you'll have an assessment, a test to take before you can move on and unlock the next module. In addition to these things, there are also additional resources and support materials that you can use with your students. So to access this tool, you'll go to www.avantassessment.com. Across the top menu, you'll see a little bar that says Train. You click on that and then click on the Avant Advance. This is going to take you to the Avant Advance webpage where you'll be able to see tutorials, testimonials from educators about their own experience with Avant Advance. You'll be able to see what languages it's offered in and find out a little bit about how this tool came into being and access some user guides. Across the top menu, you can also click on the Sign In button once you have your key to actually enter into the modules. So when you click that Sign In button, you'll use the login information that we provide to you to enter your code in here, and then you'll be into the dashboard. This is where you'll be able to see the modules. You'll be able to tell which ones you have completed, which ones you still need to take. In this case, I've completed all of the modules here, so they all are showing as completed. But once you have finished a training, the training module will click completed, and then you can take the test. Once you've passed the test with a 90% accuracy rate, it will unlock the next module for you. Here's an example of a prompt and a student response. You can see that on the left, This user has had 3 questions they've already answered correctly by the 3 green dots on the left. On the right, the user is going to choose which sublevel they think that this student response it would be rated at. So here they've chosen the word novice low level, and that is incorrect. So you can see on the left, it shows up as a red dot that question 4 was answered incorrectly. But the most important thing is that the user is able to see why it was incorrect and what the actual correct rating is. So the user is able to get feedback as to this is the correct rating and this is why. Once you have finished a module and you have passed the test, you'll get feedback yourself about your own responses, and then you'll have access to continue moving forward. Notice that you'll have a module that is dedicated to documentation for you and for your use with your students as you try to implement some of your learning through these modules with your learners. You'll have a practice test that you can practice as often as you need before you take the certification test. The certification test is a way to certify that you have completed and passed all the modules and been able to pass a test that has all the different various sublevels included. So just a few things to keep in mind. This tool provides you with clear rating criteria. It will give you lots of practice and repetition as often and frequently as you like for the duration of your subscription. And you get immediate feedback every time you rate. We also want to let you know that there are other professional learning opportunities as well. So if you click on the professional learning link off of our webpage, this will take you to our More Learning website. The More Learning website is specifically designed for our professional learning opportunities. So as you browse through this website, you can request more information about getting a customized professional development workshop or webinar or resources, as well as you can get access to other resources and materials that we have available online, and you can follow us on all of our various social media platforms. So that's all I have for you today. I hope that this was helpful. If you're interested in Avant More Learning, please be sure to visit the website. If you're interested in the Avant Advanced Training Tool, please be sure to reach out to your local account manager, and someone can certainly help you so that you can get access and begin getting that training underway. Thank you so much and have a great day.